How to remove payout account in Facebook page. So if you want to remove your payout account in Facebook page, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply go with your search and search for business.facebook.com, which will take you to this kind of interface. Or you can also just simply go with the ads option, which will be here on the left side. And once you click on ads, you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with ads manager and go with add account settings. It will take you to your ads manager like this. Now you just need to simply go with billings and payments, which will be on the left side, and it will take you to your payment settings or your payment methods. So here in my case, I don't have any payment methods, but if you already added your payment methods, then you will find all of your payment methods right here that you've added for your business. You can just simply tap on it to remove it from here. It's as easy as that. That's how you can remove your payout account in your Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.